Hello, and welcome to Teaching Textbooks. This video is a step-by-step walkthrough to show you how to download and install the 4.0 program on Windows. If you haven't upgraded your 3.0 course to the new 4.0 yet, be sure to check out the steps on our downloads page or our upgrade video. To download the program, we'll want to head over to teachingtextbooks.com/downloads. Here, I can view all the available products. I can also check which products will be coming soon. My student is using Math 3, so I'm going to click the Windows button next to Math 3 to start the download. Download times may vary based on your internet connection. Once it finishes downloading, you can click the shortcut in your browser. Since this might be a different location depending on what browser you use, I'll show you another easy way that will work no matter which browser you have. To do this, let's open up Windows File Explorer. I'll click the Downloads tab on the side. You can find the install file here. If you have a lot of files in your Downloads folder, don't worry. You can sort them by day modified at the top to move the last file you downloaded up to the top. Once you find the install file, let's double-click on it. This will open the setup window. Click Next, Next again, and finally Install. You might get a Windows pop-up asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to the device. We'll click Yes here. That's it, we're done installing the program. You'll see an optional checkbox that will allow you to launch the program right away if you'd like. Click Finish. Once the program is open, you can click Get Started and log in with your 4.0 account. If you haven't already moved your 3.0 course to 4.0, you'll need to do so before it allows you to log in. The first time you log into the 4.0 program, it will need to configure for your device. This can sometimes be a lengthy process, so don't worry if it takes a while. After you log in with your parent account, you can select which students will be using this device. And click Get Started, and then follow the on-screen instructions. If you come across any issues that weren't covered in this video, please give us a call at 866-867-6284, or you can email us at customerservice@teachingtextbooks.com. We'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.